This is Embracing Digital This Week with Darren Pulsifer. This week's top stories.
In ubiquitous compute news, Information Week explores the AI versus low-code, no-code debate for developers. While low-code, no-code platforms offer simplicity and speed, AI-powered tools brings advanced automation and intelligence. The article delves into the pros and cons of each approach, highlighting how finding the right balance can empower developers and drive innovation in the DevOps realm. CRN recounts the top 10 outages in 2023 so far. In a lighthearted manner, from the cloudy with a chance of downtime to the great data storm, these outages serve as unexpected opportunities for cloud users to practice their patience and rediscover the joys of offline activities. It's been a rough winter and spring. Let's hope for clearer skies in the clouds ahead. Oracle experiences impressive cloud revenue growth across industry verticals, fueled by AI adoption. From transforming healthcare with predictive analytics to optimizing supply chains with intelligent automation, Oracle's cloud solutions are empowering businesses across sectors. The future looks bright as AI continues to drive innovation and propel digital transformation. In data management news, in the quest for responsible AI, TDWI explores key considerations, from data ethics and bias mitigation to interpretability and accountability. Responsible AI requires holistic approach. Organizations are urged to prioritize transparency, fairness, and human oversight to ensure AI systems serve as trusted and beneficial tools to our ever-evolving digital landscape. DataStax introduces a Schema GPT translator for its Apache Pulsar-based Astra streaming platform. This new addition enhances data management capabilities by enabling seamless integration between schemas and the popular GPT language model. Users can now harness the power of natural language processing in their data stream workflows, boosting efficiency and insights. Not understanding complex privacy laws comes at a price. Microsoft faces a $20 million fine from the FTC for Xbox children's privacy violations. The company allegedly failed to obtain parental consent for data collection and lacks sufficient safeguards. This hefty penalty serves as a reminder for organizations to prioritize and uphold children's privacy rights in the digital realm. In artificial intelligence news, McKinsey's new report highlights an immense economic potential for generative AI, positioning it next to the frontier of productivity. This transformative technology has the capability to drive significant growth, revolutionize industries, and unlock unprecedented levels of innovation and creativity. However, 4 sectors are at risk for highly displacement of human workers, namely customer operations, marketing and sales, software engineering, and R&D. Europe takes a bold step towards regulating AI, challenging the power of the tech giants. New regulations aim to address concerns surrounding transparency, fairness, and accountability. By asserting control over AI applications, Europe seeks to shape the ethical and responsible use of artificial intelligence in the digital landscape. In contrast, countries like Japan are embracing AI, decreasing regulations on data collection, not wanting to be left out in this huge paradigm shift. BCG just conducted one of the most comprehensive AI studies yet, serving 13,000 people from executives to minimum wage earners in over 18 countries. Their findings? Over 80% of leaders are using AI at work, while only 20% of frontline workers are. People are more optimistic and are not much concerned about AI. Frontline workers are at risk of replacement if they do not upgrade their skills and begin using AI in their everyday work.
That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation, and check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and do something wonderful.